How to mute someone's story on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute someone's story on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the Instagram app, what you can do is just go to the top of your feed and there you'll see the stories bar. So there you can simply look for the friends whose stories you want to mute. And now here, once you are inside the story, what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and there you'll see the option labeled as mute. Simply tap on it, and here on the pop-up menu you can simply tap on mute stories, and that's it. That's how you can mute someone's stories on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.